Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that dehydrating fruit doesn't just make it last longer? It can actually boost its nutrients and concentrate its flavor into a delicious, healthy snack? In today's video, we're diving into the real health benefits of dried fruits, which ones are the absolute best to dehydrate, and a step-by-step guide so you can make them right at home. So, what's the big deal with dried fruit? Essentially, they're fresh fruits with most of their water removed, which means all the good stuff gets concentrated. First, they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, which are known to fight inflammation and improve heart health. Second, since the water is gone, the natural sugars become more concentrated, providing a quick burst of energy. This makes them a perfect snack for a pre-workout boost or for taking on a hike. Plus, dehydrating extends a fruit's shelf life from just a few days to several months, all without any preservatives. They're also super high in dietary fiber, which is fantastic for digestion and helps keep your blood sugar levels stable when you enjoy them in moderation. And the best part about making them at home? You get to skip all the added sugars, sulfur, and artificial colors you often find in store-bought versions. Now, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to drying. For the best taste, nutrition, and texture, you'll want to try apples, which are sweet, crisp, and so easy to slice. Bananas make perfect chewy chips and are a great source of potassium. Strawberries hold their flavor and beautiful color, while mangoes become sweet, tangy, and even richer in vitamin A, and don't forget pineapple, it turns into a tropical, candy-like treat. Grapes, peaches, apricots, and even blueberries are also amazing choices. Ready to make your own? It's easier than you think. First, wash and slice your fruit evenly. About a 1/4 inch thick is perfect. Thinner slices will dry faster. To keep them from browning, you can dip the slices in a mix of 1 part lemon juice to 4 parts water for about 5 minutes. Next, arrange the slices in a single layer on your dehydrator trays or an oven rack. If you're using a dehydrator, set it between 125 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. In an oven, use the lowest setting and prop the door open slightly for airflow. Drying time varies. Thin fruits like apples take about 6 to 8 hours, while juicier ones like mangoes might need 10 to 14 hours. Your fruit is ready when it feels leathery and doesn't release any moisture when you tear it. Let them cool completely before storing them in airtight jars in a cool, dark place. They'll last for months. Remember, low and slow is the key to keeping those nutrients intact. Dehydrating fruit is one of the easiest ways to create healthy, long-lasting snacks with no waste and all natural sweetness. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy food hacks, and share this video with a friend. Let me know in the comments. What fruit are you going to dehydrate first? Thanks for watching.